Good morning, friends, and welcome to Vlogmas 22. It is officially December 22nd. I'm heading right now to downtown Hickory. I am joining a friend for a little Christmas breakfast, and we're going to exchange presents and just hang out together. We have to schedule appointments like this together because both of our busy lives, it'll never get done if we don't put it in the calendar. I want y'all to meet Glenda. She is a very good friend of mine. She was an employee at one time when I first opened my store. We became really good friends. So I can't wait for y'all to meet her. It's going to be an interesting day. You're going to see Katrina again, and we're going to finish up all of our Christmas presents today. We're going to get it all done today. And I'm going to take you along for the ride. All right, let's get to breakfast. Bye.
Hope you get all your projects done.
You too. My friend, y'all. I love her. We're just pointing the wrong way. I feel like I'm at an age that it just feels like life is going by so fast. I just want to be more mindful of how I spend my time and who I spend my time with. I love my little hometown and the post office. They know who I am. I don't like them cheers where everyone knows your name. I like being from a small town. This right here is Crayon. It is a looking glass silver. It's basically got a mirror finish, like mercury glass is the vibe I'm wanting to get. This window is from my daughter's house, but this is one of her old windows, and this is going to be a gift to her from me. She has a cute little back porch with a bright yellow door, and off to the side, a little bench that needs a piece of art above it. So I'm going to use one of her old windows, and I'm going to use an IOD transfer. I'm going to spray a little bit of water on here to begin with, just a little bit. That's good. This is the Crayon looking glass. Got it from Walmart. I think you can also get it from Lowe's. Probably have to do 2 coats of this. But all those little water spots is going to make a really cool texture with that mirror, make it look very old. It does not have to be perfect, and I'm not going to make it be a solid mirror look. This is going to be the back, so it does not have to be perfect. I don't care if it gets on this wood. I'm going to let it dry for a few minutes, and then I'm going to put a second coat on it. Look who came for a visit.
Trying to square plywood.
We're on a mission looking for a piece of plywood. How big did you say, Dad? About 9 by 9 inches?
Yeah.
Let me see if I got something back here in my stockpile. That one's bowed just a little bit. What you making with it?
Wheel for sanding.
Oh, okay. Always making gadgets.
Yeah, I love to make that.
Yep.
gonna stop by and try to do it.
Yeah, I'm
Right.
glad you did. I got lots of scraps. You know me, I don't throw nothing away.
I don't either.
I kind of got that from you, didn't I?
Yeah.
So where these little water spots are, I'm just going to dab it a little bit and see how it pulls it off. Like it came from a really cool place.
I bet it did. Okay, you don't have to tell me how cool it is.
Katrina's easy to shop for.
Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. This is my all-time favorite. Y'all, look. Okay.
The candle.
The candle.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. I was gonna buy this.
That to me is
This
you.
is so, I love this, y'all. This is one of the sweatshirts. He owns the cattle on 1,000 hills. I could not love this more. Like them all.
So Katrina's already told me my gift, and it is like the best gift ever.
But we're going out for just the two of us, and it'll be great.
I love that. Quality time, just time together.
And she
That's
better
the
pick
best.
somewhere really, really good.
Ready for the second coat. This time, I did my strokes this way, so this time I'm gonna go this way. But I don't know if y'all be able to see it, but it already looks pretty cool. Shade opposite side. Can y'all see that? This is amazing. Look at that. I love that. And it looked like an old mirror. Let's clean this real quick. Cleaner. And so I'm gonna put this on here because it's very dirty. This stuff works great. And it preps the wood to accept paint as well. Then we'll clean it again. Clean the inside edge. I think I am making it harder than it is. I'm just going to start piecing it together. To me, that's the best way to do it instead of trying to line it up. The reason I did that was so I could get it down first before, if this part touched the mirror before, or the glass before I had the first thing down, it would mess it up. The IOD, the core transfers love to stick to glass. Hey y'all, I'm gonna be brutally honest. My back is killing me. I found my alcohol, so I used my TSP, and I think that was a bad decision. It took me forever to get that one sheet down in this corner. I am going to get me some alcohol, bring it from home, or pick up some tomorrow, and I'm going to clean the rest of this glass tomorrow with alcohol, and hope that the rest of this is going to piece together a lot easier, because that hurt. My back is killing me now. I want y'all to say goodnight to Katrina. She is counting out the drawer, getting ready to go home.
Good night, everybody. Merry Christmas.
It for Vlogmas. Let's see, what's today's date?
22nd.
22. And then tomorrow we'll finish up the rest of our gifts, and I think that'll be 23, and then we got 2 more days. I hope y'all have a great rest of your evening. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.